Have you been struggling to make money online lately? If so, then this could be the perfect video for you. Today, I'll show you a strategy that's perfect for beginners and has the potential to literally make you thousands of dollars in no matter where you're coming from. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so the very first thing that I want to show you today is an example of someone doing what you'll want to do yourself and making a ton of money. Now this channel is called Soothing Relaxation, and as the name suggests, it's uploading relaxing music videos, and whoever owns this channel is making literally insane amounts of money here on YouTube. And here's the truly amazing part. These videos are not complex, meaning these videos are not too hard to make. They don't contain intros or outros, no fancy effects of any sort, but they're insanely popular. Why? Well, simply put, a lot of people love these relaxation videos, and all of these videos essentially consist of relaxing music in the background and images or clips, and that's literally it. Here's one video I opened up to use as an example, and as you can see, it's just royalty-free video and images combined with the music. You'll also notice that all these music videos are very long, and this is a genius move actually, because the longer the video, the higher the watch time and the more ads you can put in said video, which substantially increases the amount of money generated per 1,000 views. And since these are just music videos, most people don't really watch them. They just leave them on the background while they're trying to sleep, relax, or whatever. That in turn means the majority of people do stay around for quite some time listening to the music, adding to the watch time and increasing the money that this person makes. Making longer videos also has another added benefit. You don't need to upload them very often, and they will get more views individually as well. As you can see, this person has uploaded like 3 videos this month, 3 videos in the past month, and another 3 videos in the month before that, and so on. The videos got hundreds of thousands of views at least, and millions at most. So as you can see, making these types of music videos has a huge number of benefits. They're easy to make first of all, and you don't need software like Sony Vegas to create them. Secondly, it's very easy to find both the music and images and clips online to use for your videos, as I will show you soon enough. And lastly, of course, they're very popular, which means that you can make a lot of money making them even as a complete beginner. Not only I will show you how you can create these videos, but since you won't be able to make any money from the ad revenue in the beginning, I'll also show you how you can get paid without the ad revenue whatsoever. So stay tuned for that. Now with that said, if you come over to socialblade.com, you will be able to see the estimates of how much money the owner of that said channel is making. And as you can see, it's between $20,000 and $300,000. Now most of the time, the amount of money made is between at least these two estimates, which should be around $150,000 or so. But since the videos are long, I can guarantee you that this channel is most likely making up to around $200,000 actually, if not even more. And this is by literally uploading 2 to 3 videos a month. It's just insane how little work is required to earn that much cash. Furthermore, this is far from the only channel out there. There are many channels similar to this one on YouTube, and that's because, as I said, these types of relaxing music videos are very popular. But how can you create them in the first place? Well, let me show you. Let's start with the images and clips. There are 2 platforms where you can obtain them, one of which I mentioned in some of my previous videos, Unsplash.com and Pexels.com. Now something I've noticed is that on Pexels, you can find both images and clips, while on Unsplash, it's basically just images. But in any case, this is where you can find royalty-free photos and videos that you can use without facing copyright strikes and without having to pay for them. And so what you want to search on these platforms is stuff that you think would be good for relaxation music videos. You can check out what this person uses and get some inspiration from them. But basically you want to search for keywords like nature, landscape, beach, and so on. As you can see, I search for nature on Pexels here, and all I need to do in order to download the photos is just click on it and then click on free download in the upper right hand corner. So to download a photo on Unsplash, it's just simple. Just hover your mouse over it and then click on the arrow right here. Now, if you want to download videos on Pexels, and I really do recommend you download a few of them and then combine them with the photos, all you need to do is click on videos here, and this site will now display videos for you, which you can then download in the same fashion as the images. Now as far as music is concerned, by far the best place to find it is YouTube itself, or more accurately, the YouTube audio library. To access that, you want to go to your YouTube studio and then scroll down and select the audio library below. Now there are several reasons you want to use the audio library. First off, it contains thousands upon thousands of songs, and you're also free to use them and get monetized in the process. Furthermore, thanks to the library's filter option, you can click on mood here and select calm, and this will now show you the perfect songs for relaxation music videos that you are creating. Apart from that, you can also filter by genre and duration as well, both of which will allow you to find the best songs for your music videos, which you can preview by clicking on the play button here, and which you can download by just clicking on the download button right over here. Basically, what you want to do is just to try to find the best songs that you can, and you'd want to download around 20 of them at least, since we're creating long videos after all. Once you download a sufficient number of them, it's now time for me to show you where you will combine the audio and video into a compilation, so you will have a video to upload. For that purpose, I have two options, a completely free software called OpenShot, or a cloud-based video editor called Clideo.com. Now, if you don't want to bother downloading and installing OpenShot, even though I would highly recommend it, you can just use Clideo here instead. So basically, once you're done editing and uploading your video, as I said, I'll show you how to get paid without being monetized in the beginning. And the way you'll want to do that is through affiliate marketing. This is a very effective way to get paid. You just leave the affiliate link in the description and thousands of people will be able to see it, and you just need an insanely small percentage for you to make profit. Now there are a bunch of things that you can promote as an affiliate and from many different platforms, but I would personally recommend Amazon in this case. And so what you want to do is search on Google for Amazon affiliate program and then open up this page here. You will then want to sign up to Amazon's affiliate program by clicking on sign up here, and you will then be able to grab affiliate links to a variety of different products. And whenever someone you refer to Amazon buys the products, you will earn 10% commissions. As you can see, in this fashion, you'll be able to earn a very decent amount of money before getting monetized. And when you do get monetized, you will be earning even more, and it will all be easier from there. What's crucial in the beginning is that you stay persistent and don't give up. It may take some time, but the niche in which you're making videos is huge and insanely popular. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.